Hello, this is Laura Lee Rose, Business and Efficiency Coach, and I primarily focus on helping IT professionals with their time management, career development, and work-life balance strategies. Today, we are reviewing the 10 Tools in 10 Minutes excerpt from the IT Professional Development Toolkit. These specific tools allow you to fast-track through the corporate bureaucracy to gain appropriate professional recognition and rewards. This is a quick overview of the tools and worksheets that you will find in the IT Professional Development Toolkit Volume 1. All the worksheets, templates, and checklists are designed to be executed within 10 minutes. Before we discuss the specific tools, let's review where you are today. Have you found yourself in meaningless meetings? Are your meetings consistently uninspired and late? Are your handoffs and delegations done with ease? Are you consistently early with your deliverables to your clients? Are you providing premium client and employee care? Does everyone understand your concise and explicit company and department goals and visions? If you are uncomfortable with one or more of those questions, let's take some time and review your overall goals. What are your efficiency and productivity targets? If you don't know where you are going, then anywhere you land is fine. Therefore, take the time to identify your mission, goals, and targets. This allows you and your team to monitor, track, and realign your progress. What are your current client and employee retention rates? It is 10 times more expensive in both time and funds to attract new clients than to invest in a client maintenance plan. If you do not know where you stand today, it's difficult to improve. Once you understand your goals in this area and your current status in these regards, you can create a plan to get you where you really want to be. What is your vision for yourself, your team, department, and company? If you can't articulate your own vision, it's difficult for your staff to support you in your goals. In today's economy, most companies are pressured to do more with less. What is your proactive plan to maintain and sustain this pace? What would you change in the next 10 minutes? The top 3 critical issues facing the professional environment today are unclear and changing directives, the inability to manage their time, and staying ahead of the learning curve to support the changing technologies. So, how does one sustain and even get ahead while doing more with less? So, what if you had a systematic approach to sustain and even gain professional advancement? What if you had an easy and repeatable process that gives you all the time that you would ever need? And what if you could do all of the above in 10-minute chunks? The key is sustainability. Everyone can accomplish these things for a short period. But what is your plan to sustain and extend into the future? What if you had a series of inexpensive tools that helped you? They helped you in clarifying your company vision and goals. They helped you with aligning your tasks towards that singular vision. And they significantly increased your revenue-generating hours. What if these tools were comprehensive, sustainable, effective, and only took 10 minutes of focus? How much value would you gain from using these tools? This is the abridged list of tools in the IT Development Toolkit. 1. The Professional Business Commitment Plan. 2. The Individual Career Development Plan. 3. The Meeting Management Checklist. 4. The One-on-One Manager and Employee Agenda List. 5. The Non-Negotiable and Imperative Charts. 6. Your Professional Press Kit. 7. The Appropriate Client Response Cheat Sheet. 8. The Business Networking Strategy Plan. 9. Leveraging Links Process. And 10. The Ergo Method to Prioritizing Tasks. The IT Professional Development Toolkit contains not only the worksheets, templates, and checklists for your use, but it includes step-by-step video user instructions. Review the table of contents to locate the worksheet associated with your current study area. More about each in detail. The professional business commitment plans help you to assure everyone is supporting the company's big picture vision. It provides effective performance metrics and results, and it reduces non-revenue hours on performance issues. The individual career development plan assures everyone's career goals are supporting the big picture vision. It provides effective mentor and leadership connections, and it reduces the learning curve towards those non-revenue generating hours. The meeting management checklist reduces the non-revenue generating time spent in meetings. It also increases productivity in these meetings, and it attaches tangible revenue results to each meeting. The one-on-one manager and employee agenda continually assures everyone is supporting the big picture vision. The non-negotiable and imperative charts and the professional press kit assures continued employee development. It assures employees are taking full advantage of the resources provided them, and it reduces retraining costs due to increased employee retention. The appropriate client response cheat sheet provides typical client scenario practice sheets as well as outlines appropriate responses to typical difficult client conversations. The business networking strategy plan and the leverage links process increases your exposure to the people that give you performance ratings and promotions. It increases your professional references at no cost, and it increases positive individual branding and exposure. It also allows you to be known as the thought leader in the company field. The Ergo chart assists with prioritizing your workload. It effectively diagrams the true importance of the task by ranking importance over happenstance and consequences above convenience. The next level of tools are based on these 10 core tools. Once you have accomplished this area, you can move to the other suites. This has been a quick review of the 10 tools in 10 minutes. Now, return to the toolkit table of contents to locate the worksheet associated with your area of study.